Hi guys, my name is Govind Sahu, and we are create. Today our topic is to create a login API. So yesterday, let's see what yesterday we do. So we simply yesterday create our we simply import our Express and we create some config file, and this is our database. And here we created our model and schema, and this is our user schema for email and login. So and this is our index file, and inside index file we have all this model and config and our space, and yeah. So in this config file, yeah, and this is our app, and here we use JSON web token for security purpose, and this is our sign up API, sign up API, and this is the logic here. And let's move to our login API. So login API is also similar to sign up, but we need to fill some checks here. So let's create. So again, we need to write app.post because our login is a post request, and it is a post method, and inside post it is a function. You see, it is like a normal function. Inside post we need it tests two parameters. First is our we need to define path, and second is a anonymous arrow function. So first we need to give path. So I give path login because we create login API, and second parameter is function. In function it takes also two parameter. First is request and second is response. And so this is our basic login app post method is here. So inside we need what we do, we simply give one condition. So request dot body dot email, and request dot body dot password, and this. So writing this line means if both this email and password is available in our body, it this email and password is available. That time this condition is run. And you see, in email and password we need both things, email and password. That's why we write this condition. If it is not available, we simply give message, please fill all details. So in else part, we simply, if this condition is not found, so we simply send this dot send, and we create one object, and we create one key result, and we write here some text message. Please fill all detail, all input, because user give a detail in input. If this both email and password is not available, that time this condition is run. And after that, what I do, inside we need to uh, I create one variable user, and in and after that, so this is our async function, okay? Because we use promises here. So inside await, what we do, we simply call our user model. So this is our user model, and after that, what I do, I simply, so we need to find our user. So we have one method, find one, and inside find one we give our body. So request dot body. In body we have both things, email and password. And if after this method we find our user. So in user we have three things. Let's you see. So we have a name, email, and password. So this object we found here, but we do not give a password in SS. So what we do, we simply using select method, we hide a password, user password, because we do not give password. because this is the security check. And after that, if user is available, means if object is available, so what we do, we simply again we use JWT. So this method we are also again call. So let's again I call this method JWT dot sign, and in it takes three parameter. First is our object. So right now our object is user, and second is JWT key. So and third is our test function. Inside function it takes two parameters. First is our error. Second it's give token. And yeah, and here we give some condition. If error is available, so we simply send response dot send, and we again create one result key, and inside key we write user not found. And if this condition is not true, we simply means we find our user. So we simply send our user, and in inside object user is our object is user, and inside user we have both our user detail, and we create one key auth, and inside auth we give a token. So this token, so we found our token here. Okay, and yeah, and in else part we give some sanitized chef again. This means if this condition is not true, so that time we again send this response. So this is our login API, and let's check where it is first again check it is wrong, right and wrong. So f.post login async request response. If request.body.email, request.body.password, let user await user model dot find one request.body select password. If user is available, so this method is called, and inside user auth token. So let's check it is perfect or not. So first we need to run this. So node moon index .js, node moon index.js, and so this is running condition, and it tests to yeah. So yeah, console is printed means our backend is running. Let's check. So we have a in our MongoDB we have a this two sign up user Suraj and Govind. So let's check. So I write email password of Suraj. So let's check if we are found or not. So this is our post request. After that send. Yeah. So we found our user. So you see, we have not password here because using select method. This method I saw. Uh, this method dot select. Using dot select method, we remove password key. Okay. If you write email, so if email is also not coming. So this is the happen here, and let's check if we are not give password. So what happen here? So what output we found here? So let's check. Send. So please fill all input because we need both things, email and password. That's why it is given. So our login API is perfectly work. And yeah, thank you guys.